Hey there, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I want to show you how this tripod can definitely elevate your outdoor adventure. UBeesize Tripod is amazing. I love how flexible it is. I really like how the octopus style legs are made of thick premium metal with rubber coating, making it super easy to bend, super durable, it won't break. And I love how versatile this is as well. You can either stand it up, you can also wrap it around a pole, any stand, to get that perfect picture or perfect video. My husband has used it for several projects. This is great for either a phone, a camera, any sports camera as well. I really appreciate that it's lightweight and it's also great for selfies. So this tripod is a must for your next adventure. I promise this tripod will not disappoint you. This is so versatile, so sturdy. You're gonna love it, but that's just my point of view.